had this again? Vulnerable. Who's paying? She asks. Clearly not me.
Oh my god. The shadow.
I went to sleep and it came off.
I say Nelly with the fan. I had a stroke while she was sleeping. What?
I've been doing my due diligence. I don't want to go back the way I did before. This is a full-time job right there.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't run.
Good morning, everybody. It is currently 10:34 a.m. I need to be at this house like 30 minutes ago, but anyway, I digress. So yeah, today is my hair appointment. I'm getting ready to head out. Y'all don't do too much on the hair right now because it's yeah, it's not looking the best. Yeah, that's what we're about to get into. We're about to get to this hair appointment. I will not be bringing a camera with me today, and I'm just gonna be there all day. I mean, I guess. I mean, it's a hair appointment. You're gonna be there all day. This is not about to be a synchronized video. I got my hair today. I got my nails in 2 days. My toes, my lashes, and my wax appointment. And like all spread out. I feel like this is gonna be a little bit chaotic. This week is gonna be a lot, okay? It's going to be a lot. I'm recording everything. My AC is kind of hella loud, but we're doing what it do. Today is a very packed day. It's a lot going into today, and it doesn't help that I woke up late. First off, it's hot. I am kind of running around like a crazy person. I'm not trying to, but I am. Right now I'm currently heading to my wax appointment. I finally decided to get a wax, y'all. Ain't no way I'm getting to this appointment at 1:30. I'm still kind of sleepy though. My eyes are burning. The amount of time that I've been saying that I'm gonna get a wax, I'm gonna get a wax, I'm gonna get a wax, and I never do. I'm gonna go. Like, I'm gonna do it. First time, kind of nervous. I'm scared. I'm definitely gonna be crying. I'm gonna try to take at least like video of like the when she pull in the first strip. I'm gonna try, okay? I'm gonna try my hardest to see if I can get a video, but I'm not going in there with my camera. I'm gonna try to get it on my phone. For sure, we getting our wax, and then we're getting our toes done. Just our toes, because my girl Didi, she's gonna be doing my nails. She's gonna be doing her big one on my nails, with my crusty, dusty ass nails. Lastly, I'm gonna see if I can have the girl that does my lashes sometimes. I'm gonna see if she would use my own strips to do it, because I don't be liking the strips they have. And then if I want like the kind of strips that I would want, they make you pay extra for that, and I'm not about that. I'm as cheap as it comes, okay? I might try to get some freebies from all these places I've been seeing on TikTok that give you freebies on your birthday. So depending on what time we leave Atlanta, that's what I might do. Or I might go in the morning, but then that's gonna waste my gas. We'll see, but we're probably just gonna chill. We're going to brunch tomorrow, and then the other thing we got planned is in the next 2 days. We're gonna do birthday dinner on Friday, and also I have to pack. I have not even started packing. Packing is gonna be very strategic, very intentional, okay? I'm gonna be putting pieces together. I'm gonna be doing my big one on this one. Every hour of that freaking trip, I'm gonna be looking nice. I'm dressing to impress. I'm gonna be looking at my best self, having the most fun, okay? Yeah. Why the hell did she just say again, Nick? I feel vulnerable. Okay, I'm scared. Okay. 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 Yeah, just do it. Okay, yeah. That shit was an experience. It was weird. It was awkward. Homegirl was just looking at me like, homegirl was all up in there, really personal with it. Like, girl, nobody really ever tells you, bro. Nobody really ever tells you that they get deep and personal with it. I can't. But it's not as bad though. It only hurt for like 2 seconds.
sexy, right? Okay, make sure don't wet them, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yo, look how crazy I'm looking right now. I got my lashes done yesterday, right? Yesterday afternoon. I went to sleep, I woke up, the whole thing is gone. Now I'm looking crazy. And it's my birthday. Can you believe all of this is happening on my actual day that I was birthed? On my birthday, the day that I was birthed. My birthday, the day that I was birthed. I'm getting ready for brunch and I'm gonna be running hella late because now I gotta run to the damn place to tell her to fix my shit. I got my receipt and everything. She been wanting to give me individuals. I didn't want individuals. That's why I brought my own lash for you to put on for me. First of all, she charged me up the ass. I wasn't mad about it because yesterday I was in a good mood and you could have taken my money and I wouldn't be fazed by it. But today I woke up and I'm just like, yeah, this bitch finessed me. Because usually when I go get my lashes done, it's $15. $15 for me to do the strips that they usually put on me. So yeah, I went to her about my own lashes and I was like, maybe it'll be a little cheaper or maybe it'll still be the same. Anyways, I bought my lashes. She gonna put my lashes on for me, right? First of all, she charged me up the ass. She charged me $20 to put my strips on for me. Talk about some, oh, it's gonna be the same price. I'm like, okay, fine, that's fine. Usually when they're putting their strips, they do a way lot more than she do. She just came, she put the little glue on it and she put it. I could have did that shit for myself. This shit is not gonna last. As you can see, last night this bitch fell off. So I'm finna go to them and I'm not agreeing to pay no more than $5 for her to do the strips because she took my money yesterday.
You want a lot long? We have.
Can you put some more right here? Cause it right here looks naked. Like there's nothing there.
Here in the bottom, to go for you.
It hasn't been a full 24 hours since I got my lashes done yesterday is what I'm saying. I went to sleep and it came off.
I know, not me.
Huh?
I know, remember, it's the old lady do for you, not me. I know, for you, you sit the chair, pedicure, she do for you, right?
Yeah. I should have known it wasn't gonna stay because when I get my lash done, you guys usually do way more than that. She just put the glue on and slapped it on my face. I should have known it wasn't gonna stay. She's not here today or something?
She's up today.
I hate them because they're not what I wanted. I mean, she tried to give it to me as close as to what I wanted, but they're not what I wanted. And it's so funny because homegirl literally said, oh, it's not me who did it, it's the old lady. So you saw me here yesterday. You knew I was here. You were sitting right there next to me yesterday. You saw it. You said the lady don't know how to fucking do lashes. You sat there and you let her fucking play in my lashes. And then you wanna come tell me, oh, she don't know how to do lashes. And you admit to seeing me yesterday, so you know I was here yesterday. And I bought a receipt with the day and the time on it. So you knew I was here yesterday. But yet you telling me you can't do nothing for me. I have to get a whole new set. It shouldn't have been that easy for her to just rip that shit off. It shouldn't have been that easy. First of all, you told me the lady don't know how to do lashes. You telling me she didn't use the right glue. You telling me all of this shit, but yet the shit came off and y'all still saying y'all can't do nothing. It's not guaranteed. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. But you told me she didn't use the right glue. You told me this shit. Y'all knew she can't do lashes, but y'all still sat there and let this lady play in people's face, people's eyes. Make that make sense, people. Make that make sense. Now, I'll also come and hit y'all where y'all gonna say it's not your fault, blah, blah, blah. But y'all sat there and y'all let that lady play in people's eye and she don't know how to fucking do eye. She don't know how to do them. Y'all sat there and y'all let her play in people's eye. Like, come on now. Don't let people do shit they don't know how to fucking do. Not Maya sleeping in the back. Say hi, y'all. Hi. Oh, God. Hi. Finally, we made it after like 100 years. The place we originally wanted to go to, we're gonna come back later for that. The activities, let me just say, are gonna be this afternoon. Okay, so we're coming back this afternoon for it. But bitch, I look cute. Okay, I look cute. You already done poured the mimosa. I'm not gonna tell them to change it. Please, it's your birthday. I'm gonna tell them to change it. Good job. You recording? Yeah. You're gonna be on my YouTube channel. Can I get the hold up bundle? Okay. Make it 2. Thank you. Welcome to 30. I'm not 30. Don't do me like that. like sister in my Rasta. She be feeding me pasta and lobster. Why am I driving?
You gave me the.
You're a Buddha. If I offend you, banana fall on you. Baby, gonna. Baby, gonna. Macho. I say that with the fish. I did not expect to be out all day. It's literally 8 o'clock, 8:30. But yeah, we're trying to get a free drink at Starbucks. Hi, are you guys doing a free drink on a birthday?
We do that every year.
Oh yay! So it's my birthday. Well, we got 2 people's birthday.
Oh, okay, cool.
So do we get like 2 drinks and can we choose anything?
Yeah, I think so. And it's most likely have the app, but I got you for today.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
You're all good, but now you have to. So I got you.
Okay. All right. Can I get the pineapple passion fruit? I'm sorry, I'm stuttering over my words.
All good.
And can I get a dragon drink with lemonade?
Anything else?
That's it.
Sweet. I'll have those for you at the window.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. All right. No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. This is the biggest suitcase I could find. I don't even know where to begin. I don't want to be called nasty. Some of my clothes were washed. I just gotta go get them. Some of these, I was afraid to wash them because I don't want to fuck them up. Gotta keep in mind, I got this clothes from Shein, okay? I got this clothes from Shein. I was not about to go put them in the wash and then mess them up. And it's too late for me to reorder them. So, yeah, okay. I always do a box Shein haul around my birthday. I just didn't get around to doing it. So, it is what it is. This right here is probably gonna be the only person I'm going with. First of all, we gotta pack them outfit by outfit. I did not buy a lot of bathing suits because I already got like a whole bunch of bathing suits. And since I moved away from Florida, I'm not really moving. I'm like, I really don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let me just try to figure out the outfit situation. I kind of want to put this on one time for the one time because I just love this dress so much. I don't think I've ever mentioned where I was going. I'm going on a cruise, Virgin Voyages. And if you know about them, you know that they have a Scarlet Night. This is what this bad boy is for. And it fits so good and I can't wait to wear it. This is the shoe that's gonna go with it. These shoes right here. I got this from the Shein Sexy collection. I got this for that because I'm gonna be all black. Not really all black. This is the shoe that's gonna go with this silver jewelry. Listen, I got all the outfits planned out, okay? Like I said, everything is gonna be very intentional and I am stepping out, okay? So for embarkation day, I'm wearing this cargo pants that was on my last haul. You remember that? Yeah, you should watch it. And also this shirt that was on my last haul, I figured out how to wear it with a bra. So I'm not gonna go with a lot of makeup simply because I'm really not gonna be clear in my face. And y'all know me, I love me my lip gloss. I love me my lip gloss and I love me a lip liner, whether it be black, whether it be brown. These 2 combos, perfectly fine. And if I want to spice it up, put a little glitter in the center, and you got yourself a good lip combo. Like, you know I gotta have my lip combo. So definitely going with my lip combo, okay? My foundation, lash glue, because I'm gonna go with my lash just in case. I don't trust this, I have trust issues. Of course, primer, because I love priming my face. Even though I don't put no makeup on, you prime your face, you put some moisturizer in there, big. Also go with my setting spray because why not? And for perfume, I'm going with La Vie Belle. It smells so good and I've been addicted to it. You can see I use quite a few. Seductive Noir, oh my god, this junk smells so freaking good. My Dolce & Gabbana. Lastly, Versace. And I'm going with this little small thing of sunscreen because I got this gigantic thing of sunscreen.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Back in that.